Welcome student in this video. So today we are going to make beautiful pen holder. To make this thing we need take a sheet, a square sheet like this. Then we fold it like this. Then we fold from middle side. So now guys, fold it again like this. It should be like this. And then we make one more. Just like that. It's optional, you can draw the designs. Then we just joined it. So now you can see guys, it's very easy to join and it's very easy to make. So we fixed it, then just fold it. So it's a little bit ready. Now we make base with this sheet. You can customize the size and position it, but I will do like this. So let's paste it. Okay, so now you can see guys the design. So I made here Worley art. Thanks for watching.